So last week in our small group, we were reading through the book of James, specifically James chapter 3. And some verses that really impacted me were James 5 through 6. So also the tongue is a small member, yet it boasts of great things. How great a forest is set ablaze by such a small fire. And the tongue is a fire, a world of unrighteousness. The tongue is set among our members, staining the whole body, setting on fire the entire course of life, and set on fire by hell. As men, our words have a lot of impact. They have a lot of impact on our children, on our spouses, on our communities, and changing the way that we speak can be very difficult. It's definitely not an overnight process if you're just now starting to look at the way that you talk. Obviously, prayer and using the Holy Spirit is the best possible way to kind of tackle this issue. But one practical thing that I've really started using and has really helped me is shortening the amount of time that passes when you say something that maybe was a little messed up. Because we know that we can't always catch it out the gate. Sometimes we get upset, sometimes we become emotional, and those things kind of just slip out. It happens. However, shortening the amount of time that it takes for you to apologize and ask for forgiveness is one of the ways that you can help make those things right. Hey, I'm sorry. That was messed up what I said. Will you forgive me? I think as men, we're not the greatest at asking for forgiveness, but I believe that in and of itself would make a huge impact on the people around you. And so if you sandwich the things that you say first with prayer and reading the word and allowing almost no time to pass from the time that you say something that may be inappropriate or not glorifying with an apology and asking for forgiveness, you can start to surround the things that you say and you will begin to make a change. And the people around you will probably be very surprised if you talk to them in a certain way and immediately said, hey, that wasn't cool. I'm sorry. And allowing the Holy Spirit to convict you in those moments, I promise you, it's not the easiest thing in the world. Changing your speech isn't easy, but apologizing when you said something you shouldn't have is also probably equally not as easy. But I promise you, if you begin to put these things into practice, your speech will change.